Hello everyone. Today I going to show you how to transfer XRP from Binance to Trust Wallet. For that, at first open Trust Wallet. Then you can see this interface. First of all, click on XRP. After that, click on Receive option. Then click here to copy this address and exit here and open Binance Exchange. Then you can see this interface. First of all, click on Asset option. After that, need to click here. After that, need to click here again. You will need to search here XRP. Click on XRP. After that, need to click here. Paste the XRP address here. Click here and select XRP network. After that, enter quantity you want to transfer. Then click on withdraw option and confirm with OTP to successfully transfer. You can transfer XRP from Binance to Trust Wallet following this process. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe our channel for more informative video.